Revolut, how to create accounts. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can create account on Revolut, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to create an account on Revolut, all you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the Revolut application. And as and when you launch the Revolut app, you'll find two options. If you already have an account, by the way, you can tap the login option here. Make sure to enter your phone number, or you can continue with email or continue with your Google account in order to directly log in using those. But if you don't have an account, then you can just come back and tap the option called sign up over here, and then from here all you have to do is simply make sure to select your country over here. And once you select your country, just make sure to enter your phone number, tap the sign up option. It will give you other options to enter your email and create a password, and after you do all of that, your account on Revolut will get successfully created. This way you can create account on Revolut. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.